Well, the first half of our weekend actually has trended a little bit nicer now that we've hit the evening hours. The sun has come back out after kind of a gloomy gray start to the day, and maybe even just a few sprinkles or very spotty rain showers around. We get a pretty good chance of seeing some soaking rains coming up tomorrow. Numerous showers and thunderstorms heading our direction starting tomorrow in the afternoon and rolling all the way through Monday evening before the cold front finally sweeps through. It's a slow mover, so we have a good chance to pick up some rain. After that, we roll right back into the dry stretch. A lot of heat heading our direction. In fact, we will be feeling like the dog days of summer as we are officially into that now in the second half of July and through a good chunk of August. Low pressure system is heading our direction. You notice there was some severe weather that took shape over around Virginia and the Carolinas, even one tornado warning. Meanwhile, for us, we started with some sprinkles this morning. Light rain showers, but we've been dry most of the day. Some rain showers did move through western Kentucky, and now we're left just watching that low pressure system start to move our direction. So let's walk through future track. Overnight, clouds begin to kind of thicken back up after we're seeing some sun right now. We'll see maybe a stray shower moving through. Otherwise, it's not a big round of rain coming tonight. There's only about a 20-30% chance tonight. Waking up first thing tomorrow morning, I think we're going to see a mixture of clouds and sun across the viewing area. Rain to the north, maybe a spotty shower for the Lexington area. Rain really doesn't begin to fire up until we move into the afternoon. So we are looking at those scattered showers, maybe even some heavy downpours, especially in the thunderstorms as that cold front just meanders our direction. Again, it's slow moving, so it's going to take about 24 to 36 hours to get all the way through. So we see a few different rounds of rain coming up even through about 10 p.m. on Sunday evening. Overnight into really early Monday morning. It's a soggy start to your work week and day. Cold front eventually sweeps through. Still have showers and storms left over till about 7, 8, 9 o'clock. Then after that, we do start to dry out toward your Tuesday. Drought monitor, the latest, shows that moderate drought kind of shifting over to the west. But now there's a spot of severe drought around the Litchfield, E-Town area and far western Kentucky. So we are needing more rain. Hopefully we will receive it because the extended rain outlook is still looking a little drier than normal, which should come as no surprise. A lot of these systems have been underperforming, so I think getting up near 2 inches is probably out. If we see any places coming in at 2 inches of rain in the next couple of days, they will be very spotty and hit and miss. I would say closer to 1 inch would be more apt, more likely to happen. We also have a risk for severe storms today. Marginal risk covers Lexington, part of northern Kentucky, eastern and southern Kentucky, with the main threats being some strong to maybe damaging wind gusts. Very heavy rain as well. After that, boy, temperatures dipping to the low 80s. Monday, then back into the low in the mid 90s for the rest of the work week. Heat index values traveling back up closer to triple digits. Tonight, lows down around 74 degrees. Stray shower possible. Rain and storms likely. Wind gusts up to 20 miles per hour. That's without thunderstorms. Could be higher in thunderstorms. Then we'll see high temperatures in the low 80s Monday, upper 80s on Tuesday, and then it's 90s from there on out as we stay mostly dry, hot, and sunny.